Hi friends, myself is Dr. Hitesh Kumar Pipat. I practices at Dr. Pipat's Advanced Center Care and Implants Center Mohali. I'm one of the advisory member of astrocare.com. Friends, today I'll talk about another very good topic, that is tooth decay. It is also known as another words like dental caries and cavities. And the why it is happening, actually, the tooth is having three layers: cementum, enamel, and your dentine. When the acids produced by the bacterias, or I can say any food sources like high sugars, that acids generally dissolve the teeth, and due to the bacteria present in over there, which is ultimately leading to the caries. And it could be seen like a discoloration of the tooth, right, from yellow to black. And sometimes the patient is also it's like in initial stages they have been asymptomatic, but in later stages, definitely it can be like a patient is having pain or difficulty in eating also. In fact, it could be a very deadly pain also. And in fact, sometimes the complications can increase, like there could be infection around the tooth also, which can be like loosening of the gums around the tooth, or in fact the tooth loss can be there if it is not been treated on proper time. And infection or infects, it can lead to further problem like an abscess formation. So friends, I must say that prevention is very much important in these cases. And prevention can be done, like regular cleaning your teeth properly, 2 times a day at least. If you're consuming any sugar content, something like that, please prefer to rinse your mouth after that. Or in fact, take a diet which is having low in sugars also. In fact, you can use a toothpaste which is having fluoride content in them. In fact, brushing twice in a day, in fact, and followed by the mouthwash, and your flossing can also help in prevention of the caries. And I must say one more thing which is very important, that if it is initial caries, if you have noticed something like discoloration of your tooth, then you should visit a dentist for the same. Because it's not a symptom that when you have a pain only then you have to visit. Because when you reach any dentist of yours in the stage of pain, it has actually been in worsened conditions. It's an advanced level of the caries which has involved the pulp chamber. So for that, I must say that when you just saw anything different into your mouth, to visit the dentist, because that can be intervened by doing only a normal restoration over there, just removing of that caries from that part area, and doing normal restorations, which has also been maintaining the integrity of the tooth. But if it is in the pain state, you must say that many of the 99% chances that it must be landed up in your root canal, which is like you are just giving your lifeline of your tooth. So friends, I must say that don't ignore. If any problem arises, to visit the dentist as earliest as possible, and don't forget you book appointments on astrocare.com. Thank you.